22 county profiles for child well-being reports were recently released by the Tennessee Commission on Children and Youth. Hamilton County ranks 41st out of 95 counties. Local 3's Dallas Payton joins us now live in the studio to explain these numbers. Dallas.
Cindy, the reports break down demographic, health, economic well-being, family and community, and education. Hamilton County's best rankings include a low rate of child abuse and neglect cases and a high median of household income. The county's biggest challenges include having one of the highest rates of school suspension and the lowest rates of school graduation in the state. Executive Director Richard Kennedy and Communication Specialist Kylie Graves says the agency has been pushing out county profiles for the past 6 or 7 years.
What my hope for the county profiles and the data is that the county leaders, the community leaders, the folks who live in communities could use this as a tool to be able to look at and say, hey, we're doing really well in category 1 and 2.
Hamilton County comes in at number 41 on the list, which is considered in the top half of Tennessee counties.
We provide recommendations on the back for how to improve on the outcomes that a county may be struggling in. And we really focus on making those recommendations both things that can be implemented by state leaders, county leaders, but also educators themselves, nonprofit workers.
Graves says because of the coronavirus outbreak, the newly released data dates back to 2020 instead of 2021. In Hamilton County, comparing from 2019 to 2020, the county rank improved from 48 to 41. Education also went up from 69 to 56 with improvements in young adult college enrollment and completion rates, school expulsion rates, and TEIS participation rates, while high school graduation rates and 3rd to 8th grade reading and math proficiency rates have slightly dropped. Gray believes that is due to the pandemic. The economic well-being rank dropped from 15 to 20 with median household income, child poverty, and fair market rent rates holding steady.
In some ways, I hate ranking the counties, because to just put a number on a county of here's how you're doing, that doesn't capture the whole picture of what's going on.
Kennedy doesn't want the data to come across as if counties aren't working to make improvements. He says when the county profiles are released, the agency always gets good feedback from them.
I think what's is always very clear to me with this is that every county wants to do better with outcomes for their children, youth, and families, wherever they rank in the list.
If you want the full breakdown of the county profile and others, you can view the entire report inside the Local 3 News app. In studio, Dallas Payton, Local 3 News.